In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a GA4 property. Whether you've been experimenting with Google Analytics 4 or simplifying your analytics properties, knowing how to properly remove one is essential. Don't worry, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser of choice and navigate to Google's homepage. This is where our journey begins. Once there, you'll notice a sign-in button typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that. You'll then be prompted to choose the Google account associated with the Google Analytics property you wish to delete. After selecting your account, enter your password. Remember, security is key, so make sure you're entering your credentials on Google's official sign-in page. Following a successful login, you'll be greeted with the familiar Google interface. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner once again, where you'll find the Google Apps icon. It's usually represented by a small grid of squares. Give that a click. Among the various apps and services provided by Google, you're looking for Google Analytics. If you're new to navigating the Google ecosystem, no worries. It's the icon that looks like a graph inside a circle. Clicking on that will transport you to the Google Analytics dashboard, where all your data magic happens. Now, to get to the administrative controls, you'll need to find and click on the admin button. This button is crucial because it's your gateway to managing everything behind the scenes of your Google Analytics account. You can typically find it towards the bottom left corner of your screen, though layouts may occasionally change. In the admin panel, there's a column labeled Property. This is where all your GA4 properties hang out. Clicking on Property will expand a drop-down menu with various options. Your next move is to click on Property Details. Think of this as opening the door to the specific property you're interested in adjusting. After opening the Property Details, you'll see an option that says Move to Trash Can. Yes, it's as straightforward as it sounds. By clicking this, you are initiating the process to delete the GA4 property. But remember, this action isn't immediately final. Google understands that mistakes happen, which is why they give you a grace period in case you change your mind. Click on Move to Trash. It's a confirmation step to ensure you're serious about your decision. Take a moment here. If there are any second thoughts or uncertainties, this is your chance to reconsider. Deletion isn't instant, but it's significant. Once you confirm this action, the property will be scheduled for deletion after 35 days, during which you can recover it if you need to. Congratulations, you've just walked through the steps to delete a GA4 property. Remember, while deleted properties can be restored within that 35-day grace period, all data is permanently removed after that. Always ensure that you're deleting the right property to avoid any data loss mishaps. A few additional tips before we wrap up: always double check which property you're about to delete, especially if you're managing multiple properties or accounts. It's incredibly easy to select the wrong one by mistake. Also, consider exporting any valuable data before deletion. This way you preserve historical data, which might come in handy later. Deleting a GA4 property simplifies your analytics setup and keeps your dashboard clutter-free, enabling better focus on the data that matters most to you. And there you have it, a complete guide to deleting a GA4 property. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, consider giving us a like or share, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides on navigating digital platforms. Until next time, keep analyzing.